We decided to build here after 10 years of glamping down at our campground. And I think I woke up one morning and I said to Steve, I have had enough of running across the paddock to the toilet every morning in the freezing cold, and I would really like some luxury.
I said to Rebecca, let's put our thoughts down on paper, what you would like out of a house in this location and what I would like, so we combined both and we almost came up with the same concept.
Once we decided that a bespoke build was just too expensive, that was when we knew we were going to have to do some kind of kit home, and researched a number of companies, and some just didn't offer the flexibility. And we kept going back to Paal Kit Home. We just rang Michael one day out of the blue at Paal, and he was brilliant from the moment we got on the phone with him and said, look, we have a design that we really, really like, and can we come and show it to you? And he said yes. So we did. And he took one look at it and said, actually, we can base your design from the Elizabeth.
That's correct.
The Elizabeth. Yeah. And he literally, within half a day, and sent us back a design via email, and it was nearly spot on. We signed off. So it was really, really good. He just understood, I guess, what our vision was straight away, and that was really, really important.
Main concept which we wanted was the view. Today, people that have come here have just been blown away by what we've achieved.
But you need to go into it with knowing that you've got a lot of support from each other when things get really busy and hectic, and especially for Steve, because he was running up and down from Sydney.
Really having to do this and also running my business.
You still have family commitments, but plus you're actually trying to manage an enormous project. So we just found that Paal, during the process of the actual build, again, we knew the plan, we knew how things were going to happen, we knew how long things were going to take, we knew what the cost was going to be. So it really does allow you to plan and work through each of those steps. Their process was easy, and they made it easy for us. There weren't any surprises, and I think that was the nice part.
The house, what we've been able to achieve so successfully, being owner builders and running the trades and having a product, it's so successful, the outcome.
It was easy.
Happy to do it again?
Yeah, we'd do it again.
Yeah, sure.
We'd definitely build again if we had to. I don't really want to. I'm quite happy here.